Okay, let's say you need to take a door panel off of a 2015 Ford Fusion for whatever reason. You need to change the handle or get into the window switch or the speaker, or you just need to change the door panel altogether. First thing you got to do is remove this cover that's behind the door handle. Just get your screwdriver, pop it a little bit like that, and it just comes right out. You got a number 10 right here. Let's take that number 10 off. After you take off that 10 millimeter, you got two number 7s over here. One here, one here. Take those off. Third thing you're gonna do is remove this cover right here. Get your little prior. Put it inside there. Pops right out. And here you got some really small screws. They're 5.5s. Okay, now you're pretty much ready to take off the door panel. Get your plastic pry. Come over here and just go out. Make sure this is out. Okay, they're both out. Go up with it, and there you have it. All right, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, show your love, or hit that like button. Appreciate you guys. Take care.